I'm Melanie and I'm from Together Against Cancer, and we have a centre in Leicester where we provide lots of free wellness workshops, some cookery workshops, relaxation workshops, we do yoga, we do a healing modality called Tong Ren, which has just come online, and today I'm just making a cheesecake for demonstrations for tomorrow. So we're going to make a lime cheesecake, which is sugar-free. There is no gluten in it, and it's vegan. So it's really, really healthy. Lots of really good healthy fats as well through the nuts and chia seeds and coconut.
Great.
Okay, so I'm going to make a lime cheesecake, and I've developed this one specifically for the Cancerucan retreat. So 2 cups of almonds that are going to go into my processor, together with a tablespoon of chia seeds, and I'm going to process those down first of all. So it's really well processed. I'm going to add into that a teaspoon of fresh ginger, which I've just grated, and a teaspoon of vanilla paste. Gorgeous. And I've got a couple of tablespoons of coconut oil. So those in. Put my lid on. Process it again. Okay. So it's at this stage that I just want to help it to bind. So I'm going to put a little drop in of non-dairy milk.
So that could be almond milk or any of them, almond, oat,
milk,
yeah, whatever, yeah.
And it's just to help it to come together. So it's got no dates in at all. I'm just going to put it into the cake tin, and this is a loose bottom cake tin. So that tomorrow I can just push the bottom out and put it onto a plate, and it looks really nice. And I'm just going to press that into the bottom. It's got a nice thick base as well. Try and get it.
Do you think we should try it before tomorrow, just to check it's all right?
No.
Oh, okay.
You won't be able to, because it'll be too runny.
Dread.
I know. You'll have to come back tomorrow.
I will.
Yeah. So that's nicely pressed out really hard, okay?
Oh yeah, gosh, that vanilla is lovely vanilla smell from it.
Okay, let's get on to the topping. Oh, gorgeousness. This is coconut meat. You buy it frozen from Waitrose or Ocado. You can buy your coconuts and scrape it out yourself. You just want some real young coconut. So this has got lots of really good, healthy fats in. Okay. And a cup of soaked cashews.
Soaked in?
Just soaked in water, and then I've drained and rinsed them. And I've got the juice of 5 lemons here, 5 limes, but I'm not going to put it all in, because I'm going to taste. I have the rind of...
That's the best bit for me. That is the best bit,
smells
yes.
Gorgeous.
Yes.
The rind of 5 limes. Smells so good. I've got a couple of teaspoons of that gorgeous vanilla. And 3/4 of a cup of non-dairy milk. And I'm going to put in half a cup of coconut oil. And that's to help it to set. So here goes.
Wow.
Give it a stir. Got more milk in.
There we go.
A little drop more oil to make it up for it. Okay. You ready?
Yay.
Oh, it smells gorgeous. And there it goes. On top of the base.
Oh, I can smell that vanilla. It's just lovely. And then this goes into the fridge? Or?
It goes into the fridge. So give it a shake. There you are. It goes into the fridge, and that'll be ready tomorrow. And I'll just grate some
some lime on
lime zest on it. And,